Do you ever feel like you're spending too much money on groceries? The average American household spends over $1,000 on groceries each month. But there are ways to save money on groceries without sacrificing taste. How to save money on groceries without sacrificing taste? There are a number of reasons why groceries can be so expensive. One reason is that the cost of food has been rising in recent years. Another reason is that many of us are buying more processed foods and convenience foods, which are typically more expensive than whole foods and cooking from scratch. Here are a few tips on how to save money on groceries without sacrificing taste. Plan your meals ahead of time. This will help you avoid impulse purchases when you go to the grocery store. Cook from scratch more often. Processed foods and convenience foods are typically more expensive than whole foods. Buy in bulk. This can save you money on items that you use on a regular basis, such as rice, beans, and pasta. Shop around for the best prices. Compare the prices of groceries at different stores to find the best deals. Use coupons and discounts. There are a number of ways to find coupons and discounts on groceries, such as online, in newspapers, and in the mail. Imagine that you're a young family trying to save money for a down payment on a house. You're currently spending over $1,000 per month on groceries. You decide to try some of the tips above to save money. You start by planning your meals ahead of time. You also start cooking from scratch more often. You buy in bulk and shop around for the best prices. You also start using coupons and discounts. Within a few months, you're able to cut your grocery spending by over $200 per month. This frees up more money to save for your down payment. Saving money on groceries is possible without sacrificing taste. By following these tips, you can reduce your grocery bill without having to eat bland or boring food. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.